to get this fuel pump popping. Let's go. Get this 255 Walbro in there. Let's get it. Damn, bruh. About to do this fuel pumping. Just realizing parking this car for several years. I don't know what else I'm gonna find. That's crazy. Fuel pump assembly out. It's cruddy. Clean that up a bit. Fuel pump assembly disassembled. The Walbro pump is significantly taller than the factory OEM pump. So what I did was there was these tabs. Focus, there we go. Tab here, and you can see it. Right here, over here, one right here, one right here, one right here, and then there was a peg in the middle. I just shaved them all down flat, and then also modified the bottom of the basket from the fuel pump assembly. That way, when I reinstall the fuel pump, the sock will sit a little more recessed and keep the pump centered. Like that right there. So we'll see how this works out as far as the height goes. Alright, so before I move on to the wiring, I wanna take some alcohol and clean up those little tabs. While my fuel gauge still is marking, I'm not 100% sure it's accurate or not, but I want to clean those up to give myself a really good chance to not have any issues going down the line. Since I'm here already, might as well take advantage and clean that up. That's wild. Look. It's focused. That's wild. That's what came off of those pads. Right there. That's wild. So what I did was that right there. So that's the west side. This is the dry side, but I mean, honestly, alcohol will just evaporate, so it's not a big deal. But you know, just another wipe. So the initial wipe wet, wipe dry. That's crazy. Got the bottom half plug back in, connector on, plug connectors butted. About to reassemble this 100%. See what's good. Hey, we're locked in. Let's get back in the car. Fire it up, see what's going on. See what's good. Let's see if this works. Right, cleaned up the ring, the lock ring. About to put this all together. Let's go. Yeah, look, new brand. Let's go. I did HR swap. Yo, I can't get over this. This swap is amazing. But anyway, back to the point. I did take out the fuse, which is that empty slot right there for the fuel pump. Connected the battery, so let's connect that again. Hey, connect it. Let's go fire it up. Are we gonna hear fuel pump noises? Perhaps not. Oh yeah. G35 right up. Sweet. The fuel pump is done. Time to move on to something else. What's the next project gonna be? I don't know. just gonna have to stick around. Subscribe, like, comment, share it. Turn on the notifications so you know when the next one drops. Let's just keep it moving. You know what I mean? Let's go. No, let's go.